So you've finally cut the cord on cable. Stream your entertainment, browse the web, all wirelessly. But hold on, what about your home phone? Are you stuck with that clunky landline and a phone bill that just won't quit? There's a better way. Ooma is a fantastic option for anyone looking to ditch the traditional phone company and bring crystal clear calling into the 21st century. But here's the thing, to unlock all the features and functionality of your Ooma, you need to connect it to the internet. Now, this might seem daunting at first, but fear not, tech-savvy friends. Connecting your Ooma to the internet is a breeze. And in this video, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll be making calls and saving money in no time. So, grab your Ooma, find a comfy spot, and let's get connected. Wired for success. The classic Ethernet connection. There are two main ways to connect your Ooma to the internet: wired and wireless. Today, we'll tackle the wired approach using an Ethernet cable. This is the most reliable method and offers the strongest connection. Here's what you'll need. Your Ooma device. An Ethernet cable usually comes included with your Ooma, your internet router. Alright, with all the tools gathered, let's begin. Find the ports. Take a look at the back of your Ooma. You'll see a rectangular port labeled Internet. This is where the Ethernet cable goes. On your internet router, there will also be several Ethernet ports. Choose any open port on your router. Connect the cable. This is pretty straightforward. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the internet port on your Ooma and the other end into the chosen Ethernet port on your router. Power up. If your Ooma wasn't already plugged in, connect the power adapter and switch it on. Let it boot up. Give your Ooma a minute or two to power up and establish a connection. You'll see lights blinking on the device, which is completely normal. Once the lights settle into a steady pattern, you're good to go. Going wireless. Connecting with Wi-Fi. Maybe you prefer a clean, cable-free setup. No problem. Your Ooma also offers Wi-Fi connectivity. Here's how to get it going. Power up. Just like the wired method, ensure your Ooma is powered on. Access the settings. Using the buttons on your Ooma handset, navigate to the settings menu. This might differ slightly depending on your specific Ooma phone model, but it's usually located under the menu or options button. Find the network menu. Once you're in settings, look for a menu option related to network or Wi-Fi. Select this option. Connect to your Wi-Fi network. Your Ooma will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks in your area. See your familiar home network listed? Select it. Enter your Wi-Fi password. This is where things might get a little tricky. Using the buttons on your Ooma handset, you'll need to enter your Wi-Fi password. Remember, some passwords are case-sensitive and may include special characters. Take your time and be patient during this step. Connect. Once you've entered your Wi-Fi password correctly, select Connect on your Ooma. The device will now attempt to establish a connection with your Wi-Fi network. Wait and see. Similar to the wired method, give your Ooma a minute or two to connect. Once the lights settle into a steady pattern, you should be good to go. Even with these clear steps, sometimes tech hiccups happen. Here are some quick troubleshooting tips if you're facing connection issues. Double-check the cables. Ensure both ends of the Ethernet cable, if using wired, are securely plugged into their respective ports. Restart everything. Sometimes, a simple restart can work wonders. Power cycle your Ooma, your internet router, and even your modem, if separate, by unplugging them for a few seconds and then plugging them.